Hello children, welcome to the next explanation of the chapter integers. In my previous video, I have explained you the topics which were in regard with the exercise 4 and 4b. Hope you have understood those topics. Now moving ahead, we are going to do the addition on number line. You can see on the board I have made the number line. Let's start on with this explanation. If I give you from 0 to 4 I am taking. This is your, and from here we are taking it as 2 arrows I have made, children. 0 to 4 plus then 4 to 7. You have to write the addition fact for this. What you will be seeing is from 0 I have gone in which direction? Forward direction. So for that I will be taking 4. Then it's moving ahead, plus sign is there. How many steps it's moving ahead? 1, 2 and 3. So I will be writing 4 plus 3. And the answer is your resultant sum that you will write here. If the number line is given to you and then they are asking you to write down the addition expression represented by this number line, you will be writing like this. If I take one more example, children, let's have one more example. I have taken. Now the next example is from 0 to 3 I am taking, and then from 3 it's moving backward towards -4, and here the sign is plus. This plus sign makes that this is your addition expression. That is why this plus is given. So first you will see that my first arrow is going towards which direction? It is going towards a positive integer direction. So my first integer will be 3. Addition expression is there, so my plus sign will be there. Then it is moving backward. How many steps backward it is moving, children? You just count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's moving 7 steps backward. And this is your negative side. That means I am moving 7 negative integers. 7 times negative integer you will take here. And then what is the answer what you are getting here? -4. So you will be writing -4 over here. This is how I have written the addition expression for this kind of number line, where first you are going forward and then you are going backward. Whatever the number of steps you are going backward, that number of steps you will write here with the negative signs since it is moving backward. So I am writing here -7 steps. If again I am taking it as first I am going from 0 to -3. So I am taking from -3, 0 to -3. So my first number is -3. Then from here I am writing positive expression, and then from here I am going towards 8. So positive expression plus will be there, and it is moving here. So how many steps you will be counting from this -3 till 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am going 11 steps towards the positive side, children. So see, when I am writing 11, I am not writing negative or positive. I am writing 11 because since it is going that side, so it is a positive integer. And here I am -3 I have written because I have started from the negative side. So my first term of the addition expression is negative integer. And my answer comes as 8. So I am writing here 8. This is how you are going to write the addition expression if it is expressed on the number line. Then let's take one example. Now you are going to add on the number line. I am making a number line first, and when we are making a number line, it has to be with the equal distribution. See children, I have made my number line. This is my negative side, positive integers and 0. How am I going to show 5 plus 4? Now show this on the number line. See children, since I am having till 6 here, so let's have a smaller number for that. 3 plus 2. Now first my positive integer is 3, so I will be going towards the positive side. So first from 0 to 3 I am going. Addition expression is there, so write a plus here. Now it's a positive integer, it's not a negative one, that means I will be going forward. If it is a negative one, so I will be going backward. 2, I will be taking 2 steps forward. So my answer comes as 5. Let's do with minus 3 plus 5. Now I have written here minus 3 children. That means my first from 0 I will start and I will be going till minus 3. Okay. Plus 5. So write a plus here. Since it's an addition expression, so I will be writing a plus here. 5. It's a positive integer. That means I will be going toward this side. Go towards this side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have moved plus 5 direction toward this and my answer comes as 2. This is how you will be showing children. If the question says use the number line to find the following sum, you will be doing like this. If the question is 6 plus minus 4, how you will do? First I will be showing my 6. So from 0 to 6 I will move. This is your 6. You can write here if you want. Then addition expression. So I will be writing addition expression over here. It's a minus 4. That means I will be going backward. So move from here backward side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my minus 4 comes in and my answer comes as 2. This is how you will be showing children. Hope that this is clear. If the question says 8 less than 3, 8 less than 3, then how you will be showing? First 8 less than 3, so I will be starting from 3 and move 8 units to the left side. 8 less than 3 it says, so from 3 I will be moving towards the left side. It's less than, that means towards the left side. If it's more than, you will towards the right side. So from 3 I will be starting and I will be moving 8 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What is my answer coming as? Minus 5. So 3 plus minus 8 gives you minus 5. If more than is given, what if suppose the question is 8 more than minus 2. So start from minus 2 and go 8 steps forward. So your answer will come as 6. Today in this video children, we are going to learn about the number line expressions, how to use the number line for addition of the numbers, and this is how you will be doing question number 2, 3 and 4 of your exercise 4C. In my next video, I will be explaining the next question of this exercise. Hope you will be able to understand it. Watch the video again and again for better understanding. Thank you and have a nice day.